look like much, but she's got it where it counts, kid. Chewie, get us out of here! What's that flashing? The hallucinator deflector shield. Both strap yourselves in. I'm gonna make the jump to light speed. You're all clear, kid. Let's blow this thing and go home. Great shot, kid. That was 1 in a million. Come on, come on! Switch over. Let's hope we don't have a burnout. With the blast shield down, I can't even see. How am I supposed to fight? You see? You can do it. You've taken your first step into a larger world. It's not wise to upset a Wookiee. I suggest a new strategy, R2. Let the Wookiee win. Okay, stay sharp.